Hi, my name is Jay Dinsmore. I'm the founder and CEO of Dinsmore. We're a 3D printing and additive manufacturing company located in Southern California. And I'm here today to talk to you about a very special project that we're working on for one of our friends, the Patterson family, and Imre. He's a young boy that was born with a femoral discrepancy. We were introduced to him about a year ago, and we've already done Imre 1.0, a shoe that was custom designed by Dinsmore and 3D printed. The first shoe that we did, we used a technology called MJF, Multi-Jet Fusion. We're now working on Imre 2.0, which is super exciting. One of the challenges that we had with the first one is that we didn't have what's called a buck, I believe, in the shoe industry. So we needed to have the actual shoe where the sole of the shoe is separate. So we were able to get that from our friends Chris and Deckers. Thank you guys very much for providing that for us. Because what we were able to do, the first shoe, we basically designed a custom lattice structure, and that shoe, it was bonded right onto the bottom, which worked out okay, but really the right way to do it is something similar to like what I'm wearing here. The way that this shoe is created is you have the shoe itself, the shell of the shoe, the midsole, and the bottom of the shoe, which is all three different pieces. And that's what we're doing for Imre this time around. The designs and what you can create are really endless. So as Imre grows, we can take the baseline of what we've already done, modify that lattice structure, and create another midsole by getting another round of shoes as he grows, because obviously as we grow, our feet grow. We're very thankful to be involved and super excited about changing Imre's life and giving him a better quality of life.